Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I'm trying to debug Calibre, which is the ebook manager, and um, here is the my machine specs on my machine, and I use this command, which is the to run Calibre with a GNOME debugger, and it didn't like that. In fact, it got a segmentation fault right here, and I checked for a manual. There is no man for calibre. Okay, then I went to calibre help, guessing that this would work, and I got the results I wanted. But I also got another seg fault when I did use the correct command. So let's actually just do a quick test to see if we're going to get the same thing. And it should bring up the help command. It does, but it also throws another segmentation fault. Line 9. Well, that's I guess that's about the long and short of it. I can't get this to can't get Calibre to behave properly. It hangs, it hangs all of the time, and when it hangs, and it takes a long time to load too. I mean, the splash screen will come up, but after that, it just chunks and chunks and chunks and chunks and chunks on the request to, or rather the desire to open up the application. This could last, the startup time can be anywhere from a couple seconds to as long as a couple minutes. I hope it's not going to be a couple minutes. It would be nice if loading books actually gave me some kind of indication, like, you know, loading 1 of 3,500 or loading 1 of 34,000, which is what I have right now. 34,000 books. Maybe that's why it's so slow. And if Calibre is ever going to try and get into any kind of library setting, there's definitely going to be a need for something faster. Because it would be great for a library if it worked. And actually, even better if it had the ability to add notes to the text in while you're reading it, and save those notes to that text, so that you could have your own. You could start to be, you could become your own proper researcher, adding notes to texts that you find interesting, etc. I'm going to stop talking because it's just, like I said, it takes forever to load, and don't get any message in the terminal telling me how long it's going to take, and nothing here telling me how long it's going to take. So